When I bought Sundance 12 years ago, I replaced a broken port centerboard line. Unfortunately, I didn't do it right and the board would not retract fully. So now I'm correcting that problem. The first step is to remove the plate which covers the top of the centerboard trunk. After removing the 8 screws which hold it down, I carefully pry up the plate. It's stuck down with a caulk that never hardens but remains sticky. With a slow, steady pressure, the adhesive releases before the plate breaks. Because the 3 pad eyes had all failed, the previous owner had drilled a hole through the board near the top and tied his line through that. His line broke above the knot, so with no other attachment points, I was able to pass my line through the loop and secure it with a bowline. Attaching there ran the line too far aft, and the knots jammed against this bolt. You can see what a badly confined space this is to work in. I rigged a temporary line through the loop to hold the board up while I slacked the centerboard line. With a long drill bit, I made a 3 3/4 inch deep pilot hole for the screw eye. I used a water key to drive the screw eye into the hole. This line secured the screw eye to the tool until the eye was started in the pilot hole. With the eye securely started, I removed the line and used the water key to drive the eye all the way down. The hardest part of the job, which I couldn't show because my hand occupied the space, was untying the bowline, passing the centerboard line through the eye, and securing it with 2 half hitches. A bowline would have been more secure, but I simply couldn't tie it in that confined space.